The Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra is the sportiest, longest-lasting Samsung watch yet, prioritizing training and fitness features. Here is how it stacks up based on first impressions. Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra Design. In order to maintain Samsung's circular smartwatch legacy, the company basically cushioned a round 44mm display inside a squircle-shaped chassis. It's not quite as square-like as the Apple Watch Ultra, but the visual similarity is clearly there. The familiarity also extends to the added orange quick button nestled between the exciting to side buttons. This button can be used to assign a function such as launching a workout, logging intervals, opening the flashlight, or triggering the watch's 85 decibel safety siren. The Galaxy Watch Ultra debuts alongside a collection of watch bands made specifically for activity. This includes options such as the marine and trail bands, available in colors that complement the different titanium finishes. From a durability standpoint, the watch is meant to withstand harsh conditions under the MIL STD810H as well as water up to 100 meters. The aerospace-grade titanium is also highly scratch-resistant, so you won't have to worry too much about roughing it up during your outdoor activities. Galaxy AI is here. Galaxy AI Enhanced Health Insights. Durability. Rugged. Reliable. Ready for anything. Our most powerful smartwatch processor. Sapphire crystal glass. Aerospace-grade titanium plus cushion design. Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Fitness tracking. The Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra is set to deliver Samsung's most holistic health tracking experience yet, incorporating the basics you'll find on the flagship Watch I. Automatic workout tracking to sleep monitoring with some special features. Health-based features on the Galaxy Watch Ultra are powered by Samsung's updated bioactive sensor, which is a combined PPG heart rate or egg or blood oxygen reader and bioelectric impedance analysis via sensor that can read body composition. Race yourself. Challenge yourself to perform at your peak on your next run or bike ride using tracking with Galaxy AI. GPS navigation. Get more than just turn-by-turn directions. Find your path back with detailed guidance, including altitude. Heart rate zones. Use improved heart rate monitoring to tailor training for the best results personalized for you. At a glance in any light, a bright display is visible in bright daylight. In low light, the display automatically switches to night mode that keeps info clear while staying easy on the eyes. Multi-sport. Switch between sports easily and create your own challenges. Milestones. Reach a milestone. Get rewarded with a badge for extra motivation. Workout results. Check your final records and burned calories at the end of your workouts. Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Battery life. Battery life is looking like a big reason to consider the Galaxy Watch Ultra over the Galaxy Watch 7. According to Samsung, the Galaxy Watch Ultra lasts up to 100 hours in power-saving mode, or just over 4 days. With exercise power saving, which still uses continuous GPS to track workouts, the watch can last up to 48 hours. Under normal use, I'd expect the Galaxy Watch Ultra to last a bit longer than today's. That would be on par with the Apple Watch Ultra, and speaking from experience, it makes a major difference to be able to go 2 nights in a row without needing to charge. With the new powerful 3nm processor, the Galaxy Watch Ultra may truly be the Apple Watch Ultra for Samsung users. Still, at $649, it's an investment. For more informative videos, please subscribe Info of Tech.